Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Angeru from jamtoursafrica.com family. In this video family, I want to actually explain and talk about who is the African diaspora. As you know, Jamtour has been using this word lately. I've been saying African diaspora family, so I just want to actually let you guys know more about that. You know what I mean? Miss Jamtour has been my ring for my family. It's crazy. Anyways, family, so as I was saying to you guys, I'm talking about the African diaspora. You know what I mean? That term that I've been using, and I feel like it's the right term to use when you're talking about you know what I mean, African in the diaspora family. So you know what I mean? Yeah, so you know what I mean, family, that I feel like that's a word we can use to actually when we're talking about the entire diaspora family. Once you actually once you're an African outside of Africa, you said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never Yeah, family, so we just reached at the market. Miss Jamtour said she's gonna buy, you say you want fruits today? Yeah. She want to buy fruits. So let's go pick up some fruits. Sun is like summertime here in Kenya. This is a real island vibes here in Nairobi. Alright, so let's go. Jackfruit. All this for 150 shillings. Yeah, family, so we just got back from the market. It's right there, as you can see. It's the market, and we're just packing out. And how much money you use, Miss Jamtour? 3,000 shillings.
For fruits and vegetables.
For fruits and vegetables only for today.
Yeah, only for
So you have some soursop leaf and some baobab seed powder. Yeah, family. So yes, family, this is how your money can stretch when you spend it here in Kenya, family. So if you want your money to stretch, then come link up with Jamtours and come check it out, come pre-it out, and come look it out. How cantaloupe you get to?
Yeah.
How much you cantaloupe at Jamaica right now?
The cantaloupe for 200.
Comment and let me know, people, if you're from Yard. And
You're from Yard.
if you're from Yard, tell me if you can get these things for 3,000 shillings. 3,000 Jamaican dollar.
Imagine. And
Papaya.
I feel like it's really
Those two
safe.
papaya alone are for 1,000 shillings. 1,000 Jamaican dollar. Sweetie, so we are pack up
No,
something.
because I want to put them here under and then I put these ones here like that. Remember, we don't have any other bag.
Yeah.
So that this one can go as one luggage.
Hey family, so Miss Jamtor is a very organized woman. And she likes to see things in places.
So I don't want things to go scattered. When you're getting at home, you're picking things like everybody can see what you bought.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing.
Yeah family, so we're at the market. Hope you like, share and comment on this video. Let we know your thoughts. Let us know when you're coming to Kenya. It's a Sunday here in Kenya and it's a summertime here. The sun is out. Some of the best time to come to Kenya family. So that's it. So the soursop leaf things. You have some jackfruit right there. So.
And by the way, I bought another one when I went there. It's in
Guy,
the bag.
why?
It looks nice.
It looks nice.
Yeah. For just 100.
Yes, family. So for a jackfruit like that, I don't know. In Jamaica, we don't sell it like this. We sell it by the chunk.
Oh, as it's big like.
Yeah, and you go and pick it out yourself. Yeah.
So guys, this will serve me for the rest of the week.
Yeah.
The other ones we bought, I've not even finished some of them. Like the mangoes, I still have. I had bought like 10 pieces because I have to make for the boys smoothies. Yeah. And also as we are eating the fruits, so
Yeah.
let me help with this.
Oh, that's another bag too.
Yep.
Okay. Family, this look at it. Banana, apple, 3 tomatoes.
Everything, literally I've bought everything.
Okay.
From onions to a
Everything.
cabbage.
I even forget about that bag for 3,000 shillings,
This
family.
cabbage is for 70 shillings a day.
You're wasting your money in those first world countries that giving you GMO. You're getting real food, real live food here. You know what I mean? No GMO food. Straight from the market, straight from the farm. So you know everything go a long way here in Africa. Your health go a long way, your life go a long way, your money go a long way, everything go a long way, family. So I'm just doing this video so you guys can see what is happening and know what go on. I'm out. Let's continue watching. Like, share and comment. Let's
Bye,
go.
guys. Hold mommy's hand. Hold hands, Jenny. Jenny. Where are you going, Jenny? Jenny. Hi, Jenny.
Yeah, family. So I want to actually end this video. This is like a short video. Went to the market on a Sunday, so we're just show that to you, family. But also, as I was talking to you about, is the African diaspora. That's actually a term that we use on a broader scale to actually identify everyone who is living outside of Africa as an African family. So it's the African diaspora. It's just anybody who is an African outside of Africa family. So that's the term we want to be using and continue to use to actually, let our African brothers and sisters in the diaspora know that, Africa is home, and when everything is happening, elsewhere, the best place you want to be is in your homeland family. As you guys know what's been happening, it's just a matter of time, for BRICS to take over for Africa to be like a United States of Africa. I think BRICS will be the one to actually bring the change. You know what I mean, this BRICS network, because I feel like these other countries, you know what I mean, that colonize Africa, they still have an and dig and it's like they still have an in everything in Africa, and that is the reason why we cannot get nowhere with a borderless Africa family, and that's the reason why you find that family. So, you know what I mean, it's just a matter of time before BRICS take over, and you know what I mean, African countries start to get a better system, a fairer system, an equal system, a just system to use for trade and do a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? So, you know, I would love to see a borderless Africa, a one Africa passport, you know what I mean, African Union passport, you know what I mean, you know, that you're free to move around Africa as an African, and that only no go for like people who born in Africa. We talk about African diaspora, you know what I mean, people that was actually fourth parent was sent away for slave and they come back. So all of these people are African family. So, you know, we're just trying to actually, you know what I mean, carry on Marcus Garvey work, and you know what I mean, in real life family, and that's what Jam Tours is about, is to show you the better side of Africa family, and show you that Africa is a place you can live, work, play, invest, do business, and do anything and be happy, you know what I mean, that when you're in the West. I just want to show that to you and prove that to you, family. That's the reason why I'm here doing what I'm doing, to show you that Africa is the, you know what I mean, is the holy land, and it's the Garden of Eden, and it's just a matter of time before we start to see that unfold in front of our eyes, family. You know what I mean? It will unfold. It's just a matter of time. Is the master of all things, and that's the reason why I am the futurist